Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So,
Good morning, sir.
good morning, very good morning. What about others? Right. So, I hope you might have checked your internal marks, right now?
Yes, sir.
So, why you got less marks? That's what I'll tell you the with question paper and answers. Can you able to see the question paper?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. So, first question is, see, some of the people got bit less marks, don't worry. The problem is, you might have thought is, you can copy, anyway answers will be there. So, theory subjects you can expect like that. Problematic, teachers will be giving the new problems. You should be able to solve it. That means what? Whatever the teacher is giving the assignment, you should be able to practice it. Then only you can be able to write the ADA test. Not only ADA test, any mathematical subjects. So you will not get exact problems. Even if you search in the net also you will not get it. Even textbook also you will not get it. So worked out problems or whatever have solved the problems in the class, that problems may not be getting in the examination. That is what many people they have done the mistake. So one thing is you have to practice. Without practicing, you cannot write the ADA test. And the drawbacks, common mistakes, I don't want to point out anybody here. So what you have done mistakes, now you think that then next test this mistake should not happen. So you have the option second test and third test to score the good marks. So that is what you have to do it. So define an algorithm, analyze the fundamentals of algorithm problem solving. So I told you first unit you will be having only 4 questions, big questions, that is called analyze the fundamentals of the algorithms, notations, the theorem, and what type of problems are there in ADA. So you will be getting the big questions is only 4 problems. So that 4 problems I have given already 2 to 3 problems in this case. So I don't know why many people they have written. So I'll show you the key answers in this case. Right. See here, algorithm is nothing but you have to write the definition something like this. So then only you will be getting the marks. So an algorithm is a sequence of unambiguous instructions for solving the problem for obtaining a required output for any legitimate input in a finite amount of time. So that is what I have given, and I have given notes also, I have explained also, but still some of the people they have written wrong. I don't know why. Next, so some of the people they have written only this. What is the case? Understand the problems. You need to explain this. You take one example and you need to explain this. Just if you are mentioning this, you will not be getting full marks. Just you will get only 2 to 3 marks. That's it. Just you have list out. So I have not list out. You have to analyze. Means you have to do it. So and list out the only the names means in that case can be written in the examination. So you have to explain all these things. So scheme of evaluation for teachers, just remembering purpose, will give like this. With explanation 6 marks and definition 2 marks, 8 marks. So how much you will be getting, you can understand now. Next is the second question is what? Consider, I told you this theorem. Actually, whoever attempted this, because same thing they have copied it, have given full marks. T1 of n belongs to order of G1 of n, and if T2 of n belongs to order of G2 of n, then you have to prove that T1 of n, if you are adding this left hand side T1 of n plus T2 of n, that should be belongs to order of maximum of G1 of n comma G2 of n. So that is what you have to prove it. Now this answer is schema solution is copied it here. You have to take this two arbitrary values. Here is the question is 2 into maximum of. Right. See, now the proof is nothing but you have to take the 4 arbitrary values and you have to take the definition for the big O notation definition. You have to write for the first one T1 of n, the similarly T2 of n, and according to the mathematics theorem, if you are adding, you will what values you are getting this and this. So this is what you have to write the answers, and this is what the marks distribution also. Once you take the arbitrary values 4 marks, big O notations applying and adding these 4 marks, final conclusion is 2 marks. This is what the way of distribution of the marks, and examination also probably will be the same thing only. Next, the third question is, here is irrespective of the algorithms, you don't bother for that. Just read the algorithm and see what they have given it. And I'll tell you, see here, input also they have given the comment lines. A matrix of A of 0 to n minus 1, comma n minus 1 of your real numbers. So that is what they have given it here. So no need to struggle anything in this case. So now what is the questions they have given? See, for here is the algorithm is for I is equal to 0 to n minus 2 do, for j is equal to I plus 1 to n minus 1 do, if A of I comma j is not equal to A of j comma I. So that means what? Not equal means return false. So where you have the equal numbers, so then you'll be coming out of the program. So that is what this one. Now what I have done is evaluate the following. So what is the basic algorithm compute? So basic algorithm compute is nothing but this one, inequalities. Inequality is nothing but the elements are equal or not. So that is what we'll be checking. So that is what you have to write it. Next is, what is the basic operations? Here is nothing but the comparisons. Next is, what is the efficiencies of the class of this one? You have to write double summation. I goes from 0 to n minus 2. Again, one more summation. J goes from I plus 1 to n minus 1. I told you n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, no problem. N minus 2 into n minus 1, probably finally you substituted this. Suppose if you have 1 or 2 steps, last final problem also. So first one, when you are multiplying n into n square minus remaining things. So when you have bigger numbers, the smaller number subset of that one only. You no need to bother for that. N into n, first 2 numbers you multiply it. That is what your time complexity is. That is nothing but the time complexity is nothing but the n into n is called the n square. That is what your answer. Now what is the input size? What is your input size is nothing but n minus 1 into n minus 1. You can n into n you can write it. N minus 1 into n minus 1 or n into n, both are right only. So suppose if I say n minus, actually when you are giving the input values, n values you are giving, 0 to n minus 1 values will be taken. So that means total elements is called n elements. So that is called the n cross n. So yesterday also matrix, how to take also I told you. The similarly matrix here also, n cross n. Now see the input values here. What is the basic operations? The elements are equal or not. Next is, what is the basic operations? Comparisons. Next is, what is the efficiency of the class of the algorithm is nothing but order of n square. What is the input size is nothing but n. So if you are writing all these things, 1.5 mark for each step, 6 marks. So you have to write it. No need to write any algorithm here. Just write it 1, 2, 3, 4 and write these answers. That's it. Whatever it is there, in that answers you write it. Otherwise, write the question and write it. So when the teachers setting the question paper, they will see maybe first question if you take it here, because we have to write, understand, analyze, design, code, all these things you will be writing flow chart. It will take more time. So like here, how much time it will take now? For this mathematical one line, you have to save here time, there you have to spend it. So that is the way of writing the answers. Next is arrange the following functions in ascending order or order of the growth. So question can be asked anyway. So in this case, what you need to do is, so you have to write it always. I told you log n, because when you are taking 200 numbers with 200, if you are there, logarithm numbers, if you are taking 2 point something, you will get it. 3000 means 3, after 3 decimal you will be getting point. So that is the reason, whatever it may be the number, log numbers automatically small numbers will be there. So that is why log n base n less than n log n. So like this you have to write it the values. Finally factorial n will be there, or n square will be there. So you take 1 or 2 values and write it the values. So that is what the values you see, log n, n log n. So one more is missing here, n log n, n to n, sorry, here it is there, because you are multiplying this n to n, n log n square to the power of n factorial n. So if it is there, this is 2 marks. So this entire third question, it will take 2 to 3 minutes, not more than 3 minutes. So you can able to write it one statement only in this case. Direct problems, like these problems, I have solved recursion also, non-recursion also. Even I have given one homework problem for Tower of Hanoi also. So you people have done it and you have sent it mail to me also. That is what you have done it. Next is, this is what you have done it. Next is write and analyze the algorithm using master for quicksort and apply the quicksort algorithm for the following. So here is analyze the algorithm using the master theorem. You have to analyze using the master theorem is nothing but the 3 is there. A is less than b power d, or a equal to b power d, or a is greater than b power d. So using that, you have to analyze the time complexity. No need to write any master theorem in this case. Just you have to use that mathematical equations. In this, you have to apply it here. That's what I have done in the class also. Are you getting what I'm saying? Naina?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now answer is, just I have not written in entire details here. Algorithm using master theorem using the quicksort algorithm, you have tried it. Examples, many people they have done it the mistake. So you have to take the first element is called the pivot element, and 9 is greater than 8, you have to stop the I values here, and 2 will be less than 8. So here is j value will be stopping, 2 and 9 will be swapping first. Next is I value here, I value next to 6, no problem. 5 also no problem, 3 also no problem, 1 also no problem. It will be coming to the last stage, that is called the when you have where you have the 9th element. Next, what will happen? You have to come back here. So j value. So j value will be decrementing here. 1 will be there. 1 is less than 8 or greater than 8. So that is what you have to check it out. So condition will become false and it will be stopping here, and 1 will be moving to first location, 8 will be coming here. So that means whenever you are finding the pivot element, lesser than elements will be coming left hand side and greater elements will be coming to the right hand side. You don't bother for like mud sort, it will not divide equal parts, I told you already. So you don't bother whether you have the elements, either it is existing left hand side or right hand side. That is not our problem. So you go according to the rules and regulations. So when you are incrementing the I value, when you are decrementing the j value, that much only, whether the condition is true or false. If it is true, increment the I value or decrement the j value. If it is condition false, stop it. Next, if I is less than j, swap the location of I location value, j location value. If I is else, I is greater than j means swap with a of I location with the pivot element. That is what you have to do it, that's it. So in this case, probably 8 will be coming here after 9. So only one element right hand side, left hand side you will be having many elements. Next is only 1 will be the pivot element will be there, and So left hand side there is no elements will be there, remaining elements as it is it will be there. Then that partition you take it and go ahead, the remaining element, first element will be the pivot element and the remaining element do it. So like this you have to bifurcate and you have to show it in the example, then only you will be getting the marks. I hope 4 or 5 people they have done hardly right answers, remaining all people they have done it wrong. So they have changed whatever they want. Actually, I supposed to give 0 marks for that. Some many cases, internal marks have given. If it is main examination, you will not get marks like that. Whatever you are getting, that 6 also bonus only. That's what I can say. So you have to solve the problem correctly. Mathematics means they'll give either 0 or full marks. Answer should be always right. Mathematics means 2 into 2 means 4 only. If you write 3 also wrong only. If you write 6 also wrong only. 2 into 2 means 4 only. That's it. So it cannot be written 0, 1, sir, it is near, we can give 2 to 3 marks like that. No. Theory means okay, 1 or 2 points if it is right, you will get according to that. Mathematics, you have to write exactly. So algorithm 4 marks and splitting 4 marks. That is the reason who have not done swapped functions, we have written, I have reduced some of the marks. So many cases, many people they have not written it properly. So you check it out that. Next is analyze an algorithm for merge sort using the master theorem and sort the following numbers using the merge sort algorithm. So I'll tell you in this case what you people have done it. Merge sort you have written you have done it the bifurcation purpose function. There one more function you have written merge low value, high value, and array allocations. You have to write merge function separately. Merge function you need to write it separately. So many people, 90% of the people, they have not written merge function only. They have written only merge sort. Bifurcation you have done it. So you have written there in between merge function. You take your notebook or you take your blue book, you check it out in that. What you have done it, you check it out. Kavya? Kavya is there?
Yes, sir.
Have you written merge function in that?
No, sir. Master theorem and merge sort, sir.
Merge sort, but in that merge one more merge function you have written, you have called one function. Now where it should go, control that. You should write now merge function. Have you checked your answer?
Yes, sir. I have checked.
You have not written. So that is the key role. So I have to give only 3 to 4 marks only in that case. Exam also they will give only 3 to 4 marks because main key point only you left out. Not only you, because that marks left out you have called me and that is the reason I'm telling. So many left hand side I have written some of the people comments, so that you have to take care. So you have to write both the functions. You have done laboratory programs, but still if you people are doing wrong things, nobody will give you excuse in the examination. So offline examination, because I don't know, with this time probably examinations they will be conducting. You have to learn, you have to work hard. I'm telling you, what you are doing is not sufficient, especially for ADA. Mathematics problems, you have to work, you have to solve individually. Then only you can learn it. If you are copying from your friends, then it will be difficult for the main examination, I'm telling you. Whatever I'm solving in the class, please copy it properly, keep it one book, then only it will be easy for you to write the examination. That's what I would like to say. Next, for that, here also same thing, have written it. So algorithm using the master theorem for quick sort, example, merge sort and exam. So here is what time complexity is. Quick sort is if it is properly is doing, log n will be n log n will be there. If it is the worst case, order of n square. Merge sort also have told you the time complexities, what it will be there. So there equally you will be doing according to the master theorem, whatever you are getting, you have to write it. Next is nobody has written this program, I don't know why. Analyze the algorithm for bubble sort and apply bubble sort for the following. So analyze the algorithm for bubble sort. Bubble sort is nothing but you have to write the programming for I is equal to 0 to n minus 1 do, for j is equal to j plus 1 to n minus 1 do. So there a of j comma a of j plus 1. Second loop only you are considering for moving purpose. The bigger element you are moving to the last position. And analyze is nothing but you have the two loops, you write the double summation and calculate the time complexity. You will be getting order of n square. So that is what you have to write it. Next is sort the following example. So program 1.txt, file.txt, file2.txt, program 2.txt program. So whatever it may be, so according to the alphabetical, you check it out. So F will be coming first, 1 will be coming first, 2, file 1, file 2, next is program 1.txt, program 2.txt, program 3.txt. File names you have to sort it out and it should be coming up. That means what? First one, bigger one is program 3.txt, that it will be already, it is there last only. Next is 2 is there, that is also already is there. Next program 1 will be moving to the file second place, this 2 will be coming to the first location. That's all order. Compared to this is easy. I don't know why you people, if I would have been given the numbers, you would have been selected this. So when I have given the names, so you people are not touched. So one more homework I have given. What is that called? Apply quicksort algorithm for the following. Quicksort, Quicksort, quicksort have given. So there, that is also alpha characters only. So individual characters you have done it. The similar fashion here also files. So examination, whether they will give numbers or names or characters, you don't bother for that. According to that, you write it. So algorithm is same. If it is the names, so in your program you will be writing string comparison. That's it. But here the way of moving, swapping, all these things, the similar procedure only you need to follow it. Because suppose examination, internal test, you have the options here. If it is the main examination, you should know how to write this one. Okay, Manjunath.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So any solutions, if you are having doubt, you ask me, I'll tell you once again. I don't have any problem. Not only Manjunath. So for everybody, I'm telling you. So please, you have to, this is what you have to do it. So when you write the test, where went wrong, why teacher has given less marks. So that should be rectified and that should be, you have to write it properly in the main examination. And next to two tests, you have a chance to write to get the more marks. All right. Next, this is what the next is innovative question is nothing but simple way I have given. Identify the combinational problems and solutions with an example using the exhaustive search. So exhaustive search clearly have given. Exhaustive search, what are the problems are there? Subset problem is there, assignment problem is there, transportation problem is there. You take your own example and write it. Some of the subsets you take 1, 2, 3, 4. Some will be 4 or 5. You take it example and you give 1 or 2 values answers correctly based on that. That's it. Next is snap problem. Also we have done. You take the profits, weights, capacity. You take it according to that. You print it and come. And assignment problem we have done it. Assignment problem is nothing but you take one matrix and for that what is the way you are taking. That is, it's left to you to take the problem. So the similarly transportation also you can take it. So all these problems, you have not mentioned any combinational problems. So which is the simple transportation, maybe it will take some time. So you take it up to here only, assignment to sum of subsets. So snap problem, transportation problem. This is the combinational problem. Combinational is nothing but what? More than one solution you will be having. So one sets. That is, combination is nothing but one set, that's it. So I'll be going one way or other way. That's what I told you, the network applications is nothing but one way is busy, you have to find out other way. That's what I used to give the examples also. So if I want to travel from here to the Balapura, how many ways are there? If this road gets blocked, I have to find out other alternatives. What is there in that? Maybe distance will be the more. Always will be finding the optimal solution. If not that, if that is busy, if not able to travel that one, you have to find out other alternatives. So the similar way, combinational problems. So all combinational problems, whether we have done it or not. Rakesh.
Yes, sir, done it.
Then many people not written only. I don't know why. Half of the answers they have written. That apart from that, before examination also we had discussed the similar type of problems will be given for innovative. Next is string matching. I told you for case study question. Now consider the scenario. Such the pattern is technology for the following, and BMS Institute of Technology and Management. So try to write whenever you are writing the examples in the same line. So if you are writing two lines, it will be difficult. If the space problem is there, so page turn it out. So they take the example and write it. That one only scan it and send it to me. That's it. So down you have to write technology down. So B and T is not possible, then move it. Next M and T is not possible, move it. So S and T is not possible, move it. Underscore and T is not possible, move to I. So next is I also not possible, N also not possible, S also not possible. Here T is matching. Next increment by 1. I and E is not possible. Then entire string move to the next location. That is called next is nothing but I. I and T is not possible. Next T, check it out. Yes, possible. Next value, next character you have to go. Here E is there. Here U is there. Not possible. Come back here. So TT matching, EE matching, underscore C is not matching. Then move to the down to E. So T and E is not possible. Underscore and this is not possible. O and T is not possible. F and T is not possible. Underscore and T is not possible. Then come in here. So like this you have to move it. So how many people they have done it? Hardly 10 people they have done like that. Let me complete that. Designing the following, I have done it. Next is what I have done is identify which technology used to search the pattern. You have to put the mark 1, that is called the, what you have to do? Which technique? Amrish. Amrish.
Sir.
Which technology are used to solve the string matching? Which technology, sir?
Selection, sir.
Huh?
Selection.
Selection. Very good. Kishore, which technology have you used?
Sir, pattern matching.
Very good. Identify which technique used to search the pattern.
Pattern matching, sir.
Very good. How many marks you got for that question? Gangubai. Which pattern? Manjunath.
Yes, sir.
Which technique you have used?
Brute force technique.
Yes. To write that, see, so many people they're struggling, other people are struggling. That it shows your interest. So what you people are doing is just switch on, connect it, and doing some other job. If you are doing like that, it will not work out, I will tell you. You have to work hard. Okay. Right. Next, design the algorithm to search the pattern in the given string. Whether I have done it or not for this. Huh? Whether I have done it or not. So we have done one example, the similar pattern, not something we have taken and we have matched with not some variable name. I have forgotten that example. One more example, that example I have done it, and one more example I have given it for the homework. The same search pattern is nothing but that algorithm only, you have to write it. I plus j something I have done it. So first one is called the I loop and second one is nothing but the j loop. So you'll be incrementing, and I plus j is nothing but this location plus this location. So when it is coming t and t is matching, this is called the I location, this is called the j location. Here j plus 1 means e, and here I plus j is nothing but this one. So this is what you have checked it. J is equal to I plus J, text off. That algorithm already have told you. You don't know what is the problem to write that algorithm. Many people, they have not written algorithm only. Next is analyze the time complexity for the given problem. Analyze the time complexity is nothing but what you are doing, whether it is matching or not. You are checking one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one. So like selection, bubble sort only. So time complexity, that is also I told you. So there is a what you have to write the answers. So here is schema solution also. Just have written techniques is used to search this and design the algorithm for the string matching. So marks they directly have allotted, have not solved that one. So here is the combinational problems is nothing but assignment to transportation, no snap problem and some of the subsets. This is the combinational problems, still many are there, but in our syllabus only this much is available. This is what the examples for the combinational problems. Combination is nothing but more than one solution or more than one answers. So that is what you have to check it out. Now this is what the scheme and solutions. So this is what they are written for scheme and solution evaluation of this. This is what the marks distribution also. So here is what will happen. 2 plus first question is distribution is like this, and second question distribution is like this. You can check how much you have written it. Next is already I have told you this. Third question, algorithm. What is the basic algorithm compute? What is the basic operations? What is the efficiencies class of the algorithm? Order of n square. What is the input size n cross n? So these values to write it this one. This is entire answer I have written it. Next is quicksort algorithm and example 4 plus 4 distribution. Merge sort also same thing. Bubble sort also same thing. Next combinational. If you write this, mention these names, 2 marks. And if you give the examples of this, 6 marks. And such patterns is nothing but 4 plus 4. Actually, 3 answers are there. So I have given 4 plus 4 only. So consideration, even if 2 answers are right, also I have given full marks. But many people, they have done wrong. Okay. So now, if you have any doubt, please ask me the question papers and answers. Anyway, now I cannot solve one more problem also today in the class because already now 11:25. We'll see how much we can do it. So any doubts, question paper and the scheme of evaluation. Okay. So now you have to identify. So many people, what's happening is when you are choosing that all the problems, 1 or 2 problems, you have to choose mathematical problems. So mathematical answers you will be getting very easily and you can save the time. So wherever you are having theory algorithms, you have to write it only. So there time shortage you will get it, n questions. So then what will happen? So time up, you will be writing short answers. So you will not be getting full marks. That is what will be happening. Always, if you know the answers without seeing, if you write it, you can write it very fast. If you don't know the answers, if it is open book means, then it will take more time. That is what will happen. So what you have to do now, you have to learn it properly, all the problems. Then only you can write the internal test or external test properly. Arjun?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Chaitra?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Dabmalia? How many marks you got, sir?
I can't hear you, sir. Yes?
How many marks you got?
26, sir.
You got less marks.
Yes, sir. Actually, the question number 5 and the one I took less marks for.
Why? Not written properly.
Written properly, sir, but actually it should be for handwriting. My handwriting was clear, sir. Okay.
Teacher should understand. No, everybody is handwriting. We will understand. So it will take time to read, that's all. But you have to present properly.
Yeah, sir. Actually, the question number 7 and 8. That's the I got less marks from the 7 and 8.
When we had discussed about case study innovative, did you attend the class or not?
Yes, sir. I attend the class.
And then what was the problem? I told you, like these problems, you'll be getting problem questions also, I told you. One is called combination only, I told directly.
Yeah, sir. Actually, this time I don't know what happened for me.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Next time I will do well.
Yeah, do it. Still you have 2 chances, but you write both the tests. That's all you have to do it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, no problem. So some of the people written only 4 questions. So that you have to rectify it. Gangubai,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So have you done last class assignment?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
How much you got spanning tree answer?
Yes, sir. I will tell.
Hmm. How much you got answer?
23, sir.
23. Guria,
Yes, sir.
how much you got answer for minimum cost spanning tree? You're not solved. Whether you are solved or not?
No, sir.
No, sir. Then how you will learn? How much time it will take to solve that particular problem, madam?
So today I will do.
Okay. So you have to solve it. Kishore Kumar sir. Kishore, make unmute. Kishore. Where is Kishore?
Sir, yes, sir.
Sir, how are you? Make muting. You make mute, sir. I'm not able to hear. No problem. Naina.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Maithili,
Sir.
you got less marks, madam. Why?
Sir, no, sir.
Uh,
Sir, actually you gave 42 marks, sir, like along with extra question.
Extra question, nah? Okay.
Sir, 38 I'll get, sir.
38. Right. Right. One question extra you have written it, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll change that one. All right. Rajeshwari, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, right, madam. Rizwan,
Yes, sir.
how many marks you got, sir?
32, sir.
No, is sufficient.
No, sir.
And then, where went wrong?
8th question, sir.
8th question. Now you got the answers how to write.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next test, when we are discussing about the case study and innovative question, you should be present. Then you have to write it that one. That means what? How much you understood the concepts.
Yes, sir.
Then only you can write the 7th question and 8 questions. Without understanding the concepts, cannot be written 7th and 8th. I'll tell you. Over it may be.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Whatever I am giving homework, have you done homework problem yesterday? Whatever I gave.
Yes, sir.
How much you got?
23.
23. Okay. Vishal,
Yes, sir.
how much you got?
Sir, 23. Exam or answer, sir?
No, not exam. Yesterday problem.
23, sir.
Very good. Right, sir. Spurti,
Yes, sir.
how many marks you got, madam?
Sir, I got 33.
33. Where went wrong?
Sir, eighth question, I lost 3 marks over there. And one more question, I got 6 in that.
Okay. Probably merge function you might have left it.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah. That one.
So many people they have done, because I don't know why we have written you have done lab program also, no?
Yes, sir.
Then how missed?
Maybe
Why
some confusion, sir. That's it. Nothing else.
Okay. So probably time constraints also.
Yes, sir. And it was too lengthy, sir. We couldn't write in 1.5 hours, like all the subjects.
What I'm saying is, say teacher will give 1 or 2 also direct answers you will be getting. For example, if you would have been chosen third question, no, instead of fourth, you will get very easy answers. No, it will take 2 to 3 minutes. Then that time should be shared to other questions. So 1 or 2 questions, teacher also will give a small problems only. So you should choose 1 or 2 problems. Then you will get the time. You can say you should save the time there where you are attempting. For example, first question and second question. If would have been chosen the second question, so probably it will take 3 to 4 minutes to write that problems. So if you choose first question, what will happen? It will take 10 minutes or 15 minutes, probably sometimes 20 minutes also it will take. Even if you want to write half an hour also can be written for first question. If it is second question, hardly 4 to 5 minutes. So when you are not getting time, you have to choose such a way that. So first unit, this question cannot be leave. So you should read it properly, all the problems. Okay. So mathematics also you have to learn it. Okay, Srinivas.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How many marks you got?
33, sir.
Okay. So where went mistake?
Sir, I haven't got chance to see the bifurcation of the marks. I haven't got the highlight.
Right. Okay, no problem. So
Yes,
you try to find out the mistakes. That is the reason we are sending the marks. So you have to find out the mistakes where went wrong. That should be rectified, and you have to get good marks for the next examination. That's it. No, I'm not criticizing anybody. I'm not degrading anybody. Everybody is having knowledge. Everybody can get good marks. The only thing is you have to write it properly, and you should understand the concepts. That's it. Probably you may be having 1 or other problems. That no problems. So don't repeat the same thing. That's it. Okay. Shall I stop the class today? Because I cannot finish the problem now. Even if I start, I cannot do it. Okay. I'll take the attendance, then I'll close the class today. Today date 14, I hope, no? Answer your attendance. Answer your attendance. 1, 2,
Present, sir.
3, 4,
Yes, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6, 7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10, 11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15, 16,
16 present, sir.
okay, 17,
Present, sir.
18 absent, Murali Krishna, 19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
22, 23, 24,
23 present, sir.
25,
Yes, sir.
26, 27,
Yes, sir.
28,
Present, sir.
29, 30,
Present, sir.
31,
26 present, sir.
30,
21 present, sir.
you tell after 1 hour. 21 when I call, now you are telling 21. Huh?
Sir, 30 present.
30 present, sir, no problem. Next, TD series 2,
Present, sir.
3,
3 present, sir.
4,
4.
5, 6, 5 absent, 6, 7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Yes, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Yes, sir.
15, 16,
Present, sir.
17,
Yes, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20, 21, 20 Srinivas,
present, sir.
Srinivas,
Sir, 20
yeah,
is present, sir.
21, Sunil present, 22, Vaishnavi present, 23,
Present, sir.
right, all are present, right, okay,
22 present, sir.
tell me,
1BY03 Aishwarya, sir. Present, sir.
now you are telling 03,
Yes, sir.
what were you
It
doing that time?
disconnected, sir.
Right, right. So today no assignment. So because we had discussed for the test, so next class I'll give you. Okay. Right.
Sir, when we'll get our results, sir? Second.